Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make buttermilk biscuits. Preheat oven to 425 degrees F and gather ingredients, then keep butter very cold. Grate butter into flour and mix until pea-sized crumbs form to create layers. Add chilled buttermilk all at once and fold lightly to avoid overworking the dough. Pat to 1 inch, cut with a 2-inch cutter, and bake until golden for tender, flaky biscuits. Combine dry ingredients in a large bowl, then grate cold butter into the flour so it stays in small flakes and creates layers. Toss briefly until pea-sized crumbs form, and then pour chilled buttermilk all at once, stirring gently until the dough becomes shaggy. Turn the dough onto a floured surface, fold twice to build layers, and pat to 1-inch thickness before cutting with a 2-inch round cutter. Keep the dough cold. Arrange biscuits on a baking sheet, either touching for softer sides or spaced for crisper edges, depending on preference. Brush tops with melted butter or cream for extra browning and flavor before baking. Bake in a preheated 425 degrees F oven for 12 to 15 minutes until deep golden brown and risen. Rotate the pan halfway if your oven runs hot. Then let biscuits rest 5 minutes before splitting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.